had a little portfolio with loose papers that closed with a zipper. This was my notebook, and it held my words. My hand grows tired from holding the pencil, and now I hear little clicks underneath my fingers. I am as a piano player, but the words that I make are read on paper. The feelings are heard from different ears, but it is the same. I had an old typewriter that made noises like a hammer, but I left it behind when I moved. One day it was recovered and brought back to me, and now I hear those sounds again. It's nice to have you back, old friend. You were always there in my thoughts. Soon I will stop. Out of the typewriter, I will remove this loose paper all filled up.